Hey traders, this is Wrist. Just want to go over today's trades and maybe missed trades that I'm not sure I would have taken. It's really hard to say in retrospect. It's easy to look back, um, but you probably know my trading strategy by now. It's like draw levels, try to find levels, and try to find price action that say the price will reverse at those levels. And levels can be somewhat subjective, they don't have to be exacto. Like here, we have kind of, multiple people could have drawn these and like try to figure out, well, this is kind of maybe a good point, and maybe that's why we get a weaker reversal candle, though you could probably look at a smaller time frame and get a better reversal candle here. And that's something that you can do if you find really good levels to do that. Here is a really strong reversal candle, but it actually took two. And if you look back, we have a decent trend line that is pretty well respected. You could even have said, well, up here, but then it comes back and there's a classic retouch. Maybe I'm just seeing this or whatever, but that would have been probably a good trade right there. So anyway, I took this trade right here on the Aussie dollar. Now, if you look at a smaller time frame, these will be individual dips. Like this gets back to, you have to imagine the price action within the candles sometimes, and not worry too much about the arbitrariness of the candles. All right, so yeah, right here we have the this sort of thing going on here. And it's going to be a little different on a tick chart versus on a time chart. Most people trade on the time chart, but the tick chart does help me see price flow. And sometimes you can see things a little bit better, but they usually line up. When both the tick chart and time chart line up, it's usually a good sign. Alright, so if we look here, really strong reversal candle and on a line of support, so there we go. Alright, and let me talk about my ES trades today. Been doing pretty good on the ES. I think the trick is to be a little fidelis when it comes to the reversal candles here. So it's one of the reasons why I like Thinkorswim. Actually, not a fan of TradeStation. Alright, well, trying to widen this out a bit. Alright, so if you can see these doji candles compared to like this one's not bad actually. He probably could have gotten a few points. Yeah, maybe like a point and a half really. So one thing about futures is that you can be a lot more finicky about when you get into the price. Usually in Forex you just buy or sell. In futures you want to like try to bargain for those ticks. But here, look at this. Doji, perfect doji, bam, sell, bam, buy. So I'm done for the day. I got my monies. So anyway, I just want to go over that. Here we have like a double doji, and this, this can sort of, on Forex, I would still say that the price was rounding up. But worst case scenario, you take this and you get stopped out. I mean, and then look at these dojis right here. I didn't take these, but if we draw an arrow, those are some nice dojin right there. Even if you go long, like right here or right here, actually you go short right there. I'm sorry. But get a 2 for 1, and you're going to be doing pretty good. So that's all I have to say for today. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and I'll try to answer them.